So folks, I've had literally 2 people email me and say, can you tell me how high this thing goes? My Elfie drone, to be exact. And I thought, stuff it. Let's go and see how high it'll go. It's a bit windy, but heck, what the heck. The sun's out, it's about 33 degrees. So I'm just going to go down to my favourite flying spot. And like I said, we'll do a bit of a height test. Sorry about the shaky video, folks. I'm not on a gimbal myself. Just alright. Hopefully it's still recording on the phone. Oh, yeah, don't put your sunnies on while you're trying to fly this thing. Yeah, nah, look, it's gone. Look at that, it's just got a mind of its own. I can't do anything with it at all, it's just completely gone. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's try again. Like I said, the wind and this drone is no good. Alright. What I might do is I might just do a quick calibration of the unit. See if that does anything to it. Now, is it possible to hook into video feed with the JJRC up in the air? We're going to find out. Okay, so nice sunny day. Sorry about the glare. I'm going to, as promised, do a active track of the Elfie Plus JJRC H47 and see if we get a flight plan working and how that flight plan actually goes. So, without further ado, there's a picture. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to launch an active track. So to do this, we select on, select the hourglass thingamajig, select active track here, we'll do a flight plan of, I don't know, a figure 8. Alright, this will be quite interesting. Let's see if I can do this with you guys watching still. Okay, so I imagine we hit the start button. and it's just doing what it wants. Okay, so a little bit more difficult to start this active track than I first thought. Like most people, I haven't actually pre-planned anything, I've just done it. So it's in flight at the moment, and it's currently going crazy. We'll just bring it back home. Okay, the wind's dropped off a bit. Let's try our height test again. I think I'm making the mistake of not going out to the centre of the oval. I'll have it on aggressive sensitivity. Okay, alright, here we go. And prepare to climb. So before we go up to about 50 metres. So probably about 50 there. And 60 odd metres. It does tend to just stop there. No, we're still climbing, it's pretty good. Hopefully you guys can see that on video. I have a bit of trouble controlling it, but I'm on aggressive, and that's probably about 80 metres up now, so it's a long way up. Oh, let's kill it, it's going off. Here it comes, plummeting down. Oh, and I just saved it in time before we land. There you go, folks. So if it gets out of control, you hit the kill switch. Just before it lands, reinitiate your flight, and like I said, this thing is indestructible. I can't rave enough about this drone. I've said before, bang for your buck's fantastic, and yeah, look, it really is. I just hope it's still recording the video. Just show you guys some. Oh, we're getting low on battery now. Let's do some left and right yawing here. Okay, I'm going to be spinning all the way around me here. And that was my fault. That's what happens when it lands and hits your prop. Props fold in, and it makes a little I'm not happy noise. And ceases to operate. So there you have it. I'm predicting it was about 80 metres in height then. Still under control until the wind took it, and yeah, a little flinch and starts to get carried away. So yeah, as you saw, I just hit the kill switch and all's pretty good again in the world. So hey, this is a terrific little drone. And if you guys are tossing up between this one and the JXD, I'd highly recommend grabbing this little selfie. Really good unit, easy control. I've just bought a EACHINE, so that should be coming the next day or so. So give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and I'll have a pretty decent review of that one coming soon too. That's the Mavic clone that someone in China thought, yeah, let's copy the Mavic, and they made this little tiny drone that looks like a Mavic, but I would suggest doesn't behave like a Mavic at all. So, well, your unit's beeping at me, which means we're running low on power. So, see if I can bring it back again, fighting the wind. It's a bit tricky. Let's land her without crashing this time. Let's bring it home for a nice soft landing. Oh, gee, it's windy. I'm really fighting it here with the wind. Fighting it with the wind. Oh yeah, it's good. Spin them round. As I said, to be able to fly this drone in this wind, as sort of easily as I am, is pretty impressive. And down we come. Run the batteries nice and flat. Give yourself a good charge for next time. You want to go back to slow mode. Okay. So I hope you've got some entertainment from this, guys. One of these days I'll come out here and it won't be windy. so you guys can see some flight that's not so out of control like these tend to be. Oh, into the netting. Boom. I should have landed it, it's a bit silly. But, oh, one of these days I'm going to come and collect it post-crash, and you know what? It's not going to work anymore. Like today. Okay, Houston, we have a problem. So what's happened, I would suggest, is our prop has failed. No, it hasn't. Yeah, I know, I should be listening to all the warning signs, but I'm not. Looks like that prop's got a bit of a jiggle to it. Oh no, it hasn't. You know what, guys? There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Just low on batteries. This thing is absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. What a terrific unit. I'll go home and give it a tinker up. I might put some new props on it. It's easy, been smashed a few times. Probably giving it a bit quieter flight, but